'Tis the unveiling of the broken man. What's up, Vegan AF? It is Woodstock 2019 50-year anniversary. There is still a concert that's going to take place in Bethel. We will be making a Mecca trip up to New York. Some stockpile cakes. But hopefully for this weekend, for this trip tomorrow morning. So what we did to get to this is we combined that with that. You know, just water and about 2 hours soaking time. Put down a little plate of Nutiva hemp seeds. Organic and raw. It's where it's at. Just to keep things unstickified. Boom. Just a nice little dollop. Maybe a tablespoon, tablespoon and a half. And kids will love doing this one. Just put that thing right there in the middle, touch it a couple times, and then you finish it off with some of our beautiful oatmeal chia mix. We're gonna have to find some type of sweetener for it. It's all ingredients that are rather plain and flavorless, but let's see what we can't do about that in the end. We also have other fruits that we can do stuff with on top. So let's go ahead and finish this up vegan AF style. Finish it. Blam, blam. Whatever amount of ingredients, specific ingredients I put in this, I will probably never know because I did most of it by eye. So 6 perfect servings. Alright, nature's sweetener. Maple syrup, we're going for it.
Blow.
Let's see if we can't sweeten them up a little bit. Blow. Blow.
Blow. Blow.
Blow.
I have vegan AF secret for you. You take the excess maple syrup, very good. Maisie Jane's California Sunshine organic cashew butter. That would be good for a family for a day of snacking or hiking, or a day at the beach, or something like that. Or if you're a single or a couple, that could last you a few days or even a full week of snacking. We're gonna call these stockpile cakes.
Blam.